Are you looking for the best lawn aerators to keep your grass healthy and green of 2023? In this video, we will look at some of the best lawn aerators to keep your grass healthy and green of 2023 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in. Number 1. Agri-Fab 48-inch toe plug aerator. The 48-inch width of this model makes it well suited for large yards, and it comes with a tray big enough for either cinder blocks or gravel bags. A universal hitch also makes it easy to hook up to your tractor or riding mower. It also features solid rubber tires, so you don't have to worry about punctures or deflating while you work. It does require some assembly, but the written instructions that come with the unit are straightforward and include helpful illustrations. If you need more assistance, Agri-Fab also provides video instructions, a perk we always appreciate. Number 2. Agri-Fab 40-inch spike lawn aerator. 10 galvanized steel discs with 8 spikes each mean this model penetrates soil fast and well, covering 40 inches with each pass. The universal hitch makes it easy to attach to whatever machine you decide to tow it behind, and the convenient lever raises and lowers the tray with minimal effort. At 40 pounds, it's a bit unwieldy, but the weight of the unit plus whatever you decide to load up the tray with allow it to really penetrate the soil effectively. The 3-year limited warranty is. Number 3. Butler lawn coring aerator. Though it's a handheld model, this tool is designed with comfort in mind, thanks to a pair of cushion handle grips and a foot bar that lets users control how deep the cores go. Each plunge removes 2 half-inch cores 3.5 inches long, and they're conveniently ejected from the top of the cylinder. Although it's not as productive as tow-behind options, this model's durable steel frame and lack of moving parts still make it a valuable, long-lasting tool if you have a relatively small yard and don't mind putting in some physical effort. Number 4. Ohuhu lawn aerator shoes. If you prefer the simple storage and low investment of overshoe aerators, this pair is an excellent choice. The 2-inch spikes aren't as thick or as long as larger models, but if you're just looking for moderate, shallow aeration, they do the trick. Their hook and loop Velcro straps tighten and secure the platforms to your shoes with 26 spikes per pair. Plus, unlike bulkier options, you can easily stash these on a shelf or in a cab. Number 5. Brinly tow behind plug aerator. Capable of supporting 200 pounds of weight, this Brinly aerator is rugged enough to last a long time. The transport lever makes it easy to cross driveways and sidewalks, and the 10-inch semi-pneumatic tires contribute to its overall maneuverability. The open core design of the plugging spoon is also a nice feature, reducing the chances of clogs from rocks or debris. Plus, the comprehensive user and instruction